give you a bit of insight into that. In the hip hop world, most of the time, where for songs you have like a verse where someone will sing and so on, they have bridges and so on. In hip hop, you have 16 bars. So if somebody comes and he gives 16 bars of, Buasha, raps for 16 bars like that. So one time I was working in the studio and I did this 16 bars, and then this engineer that was there said, man, that's a killer 16 bars. And I was like, okay, killer 16 bars, I liked it. So I said, okay. But I didn't want to scare anybody by going up with the name like killer 16 bars. So I said, okay, let me shorten it to K16. That's how I came up with that.
What I want to actually find out from yourself, what can you tell optimistic news singers coming up that haven't actually made it the way you have, but they have all their little things going on and they just want to come out and get noticed? What sort of advice would you be able to give them?
Okay, I think the most important advice I can give is, A, you need to find your voice. Make sure that you actually have something that people want, something to offer. When you find that out, then you need to focus yourself. Be very focused on what it is you're trying to achieve, and break that down into daily goals, weekly goals. Where are you trying to get to? How am I going to get there? What am I going to do this week? What am I going to do by next month? What is my target for next month? And work very hard. It's a lot of hard. People don't realize. People look at the lovely theory here and they think, oh, okay, it's just like that. It's not like that. You have to work very, very hard. Lots of things you have to do. There's a lot of business involved. And stay positive and believe in yourself. Believe that you can do it.
Of course, apart from singing, you do have other things that you do as well.
Yeah, I do. I have a company called IBO Media Show, which does motion graphics. And they actually did the video for If You Never Sabi. If you haven't seen it, please go to YouTube, type in If You Never Sabi, search. The video is mind-blowing. There is nothing like that video out anywhere. I'm not just talking about Nigeria, anywhere. Check out the video. And Media Design did that. And we're actually trying to build ourselves up to go for the Nigerian film industry, because at the moment now, there's a lot of films, but not a lot of motion effects that can compete with Hollywood and all this kind of thing. So we're also trying to target that market as well.
That's good.
So
now viewers, if you think you have what it takes, like K16, K16,
you don't turn around.
please go to the website www.ibomedia.mobi/events. Alternatively, you can actually send an email to awards@igboheritage.org. You can register online at www.ibomedia.mobi, as in MOBR/events. Thank you to everyone.
Thank you so much. Would you like to shout out to any of your friends?
Yeah. Shout out to 0B1, shout out to Kuku Records, shout out to Yvonne, Ketch, Diva, all my whole crew, man.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And of course, we're going to play your music just now, so watch out for that. K16,
hey,
coming back.
Thank you very much.
K16.
Hey, hey, hey. If you never sabi, Ikuku on the scene. 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 It's the K16 on the scene. Ikuku Records on the scene. Ndibo Bueno. Hey!
Welcome back to the IBO Media Show. I have my second guest today, rather an artist. He's a Nigerian musician as well, an Igbo artist. I'm going to be talking to him right now, and his name is Kelechi. Kelechi, could you please introduce yourself to us?
Thank you so much. My name is Kelechi Ifani, or a lot of people call me Kelechi Ife. So,
nice to meet you. When did you discover that you're a musician or that you can sing or whatever?
Actually, it's been a long time when I was a kid, and my dad is a bishop. So, in my father's church, there were no musicians around, and I was like, what are we gonna do? I need to do something. It's my father's church, he's the pastor. And I discovered something in me that I got that talent, I got that grace to perform. So I started as a drummer in 1991. You know, it took me somewhere to learn how to play drums. And then within 3-4 months, I became the best drummer there. And at some point, my church said, wow, since you can play to this extent, we can't pay for you again. So from there, I started playing in my father's church. I was playing different bands. And then from there, I discovered that I can play guitars. I started playing guitars. You know, that was 1994. And then from there, I started singing as well. And then from there, you know, just like, you know, I discovered my talent there. And then a lot of people were calling me to come and sing, to come and play in their various albums, and of which, by the grace of God, before I came to UK here, I played in about 2,000 albums. I'm not trying to exaggerate.
How did you do that?
No, it's not my own album. You know, a lot of artists, you know, after playing for somebody, the other person will hear it, like, this guy
Playing as in doing what?
I played for them in the studio. Artists like Sammy Kofi, Seko of Ghana. I played about 3 albums for him. Artists like God Ezekiel, Kakimo Biloda, something like that. I like musicians, I play for them in the studios, but I'm a gospel artist, so I don't really feature in their music videos.
Okay, so all you do is only gospel music?
Yeah.
Mazi Benson, what have you got to say?
I can see the smile on your face looking at the achievements you've done. You also train people as well to become artists, you know, playing their guitar and the rest of it. And it was you that actually said that when God created man, he made everyone a celebrity.
Seriously.
Tell me a little bit about that.
Oh my God, you know, I just released my album last 1 year now. You know, one of the tracks there says celebrity, you know, and I discovered that everybody got something in him. When God created man, he deposited something. He said he created man with his own image. There is something positive in everybody. You know, I was talking to some young people out there, even those of them that are starving people. There is something inside of them that they need to discover. And people need to help them to discover those good things inside of them. And that good thing is something that will make you a celebrity.
Okay, before you go further, can you sing any of your gospel music?
Wow.
I suppose the music is going to be played.
No problem. I can do it. I mean, it's in me. I can just...
Just a quick...
Okay, there's one that says, unlimited expansion, unlimited expansion, in Jesus' name, success is mine. This year, I will be a celebrity.
Unlimited expansion, unlimited expansion, in Jesus' name, success is mine. This year, I will be a celebrity. Unlimited expansion, unlimited expansion, in Jesus' name, success is mine. This year, I will be a celebrity.